So that is the extent of my fall decor around my house.
Look, ayy. When will they learn? You gotta love what you got. Want more than
What's up, everybody? It's your girl Shante, and I'm back with another video. Today's Vlogtober is about my fall decor. Now, I didn't do much. I don't like to do a whole lot, you know, with the Halloween trees and all that jazz, but I do like to put a little spin of fall in my house just to, you know, get seasonal and welcome in the new season. So that is today's video, and y'all know the Vlogtobers are short and sweet, so we're just gonna jump right into it. We have my farm fresh pumpkin that I found at Dollar Tree. It was just $1. I just put it up in front of my, or on the side of my door, because it just looked cute right there. And then I actually took some mirrors from my old decor and just put them right here. I got this leaf from, where did I get this leaf? Oh, I think I got this leaf from Hobby Lobby. And then I got these little, like, if you can see those little glittery balls. I got those from Dollar Tree, and I got this little bowl from Dollar Tree that came in a set of 4. So the little balls I just stuck in there just for a little cute decoration to match this little leaf, and stuck it on this shelf just so it could look cute when you walk in the door. You can see something nice and cute. And I topped it off with the mirrors again, and then the Farm Fresh handpicked pumpkins daily underneath. I thought it was just so cute and simple. Like I said, I love simple things. I do not like a whole lot of clutter, so I just hooked that up over there. This over here is another set of mirrors that I already previously had from my previous decor, but then I just added the pumpkin. The pumpkin I got from Hobby Lobby, and also I got this gather sign from Hobby Lobby, and it has the black and white decor on the sides as well, like the pumpkin does. So I got that one from Hobby Lobby as well. But this Welcome Fall, I got that one from Dollar Tree. But it also has the checkered on the sides, but it's brown instead of the black and white. But that's cool. I just decided to put those up there. It looks kind of cute with my daughter's pictures in the middle. Also, the Harvest Welcome Thankful that's underneath the shelf. I got those from, I think I got those from Dollar Tree, I want to say, but it might have been Hobby Lobby. I couldn't figure out a way to keep them up there. If you guys have a better way for me to put them on the wall, then please, please, for the love of everything holy, please leave a comment down below, because I was really struggling. Your girl was struggling to keep these on the wall. They just kept falling off. So I just put them up there with a little like tape. If you can see that there, I just put them up there with like some little tape that I folded behind it. And that has actually been working. So, you know, nobody sees it when they come in here. It's just us. So that has actually been working, and I appreciate, you know, the simpleness of it. If you have another way that I can hang those up, please drop a comment down below. I need the help, okay? But this is the wall on the other side of the door, of my front door, decor for fall. This is the wall near my back door, and again, it has the bowl with the glitter balls inside with the leaf from the like the other door has. It also has these signs. I got these signs from Dollar Tree, and it just says autumn, falling leaves, pumpkin pie, happy fall, hot apple cider, and friends and family. And then this one says give thanks, happy harvest, gather together, blessings, all are welcome, Thanksgiving. And then I hung this one, Thankful and Blessed, that I got from Dollar Tree as well. I didn't really have any idea where to put that one. So since we're not using coats right now because it's really not that cold outside yet, I just decided to hang it on the coat rack until we figure out, you know, where else to put it, or until the weather changes. So I decided to just keep it right there. Right here is a home sign that I got. I can't remember. I think I got these from Family Dollar, along with those mirrors that you guys previously saw on the other walls. I got those from Family Dollar, and I had this decor already on my other wall, but I just decided to move them. Instead of putting them up for the season, I decided to repurpose them, and I put them on the back wall by my back door. When you open, or if you come in through my back door, you will see this Happy Harvest sign. It is just the cutest little sign. I don't know why I'm in love with those trucks, the little fall trucks with the pumpkins in the back. I don't know why, but I'm in love with them. So I just got this one from Dollar Tree and hung it right on my back door, and it's just the cutest. And it's simple and gets to the fall decor that I was looking for. So going outside, I just wanted to show my Happy Fall sign that I actually painted myself. I got the stencils from Amazon, and I'm going to leave those. I'm going to leave that link down below to where I got the stencils. But I actually, if you could look up close, I didn't tape my stencils down, so you can see that it kind of bled through, but it kind of still, I mean, it looks okay to me. And the kids said it looks okay. It's readable. That's all that matters. So that's the reason why I still ran with it. And I actually love the sign. The wood did not come like this, so we actually stained the wood and let it, you know, dry for a few days before I actually painted over it. And then I put my husband put a finish on top of it. It looks really cute for the fall season. And actually the other side has the winter season on it, but I'm going to show that in a later video. So on my front door, I have this cute little sign that I found at Hobby Lobby. Let me explain this sign, guys. It did not come this way, okay? The sign itself was actually what I bought from Hobby Lobby. It was the only thing that came from Hobby Lobby. 'Tis the season to be thankful. These pumpkins, these orange pumpkins and leaves, it did not come with that. I had to add those on, and the only reason why I added those on was because when I showed people, or when people saw the sign, they literally looked at it like, what the F? It's not Christmas. And I was just like, dude, it's not a Christmas sign. It's a Halloween, well, it's a fall sign, and no one got it. So I was just like, count your days, Hobby Lobby. I was so mad. I was like, I thought everybody would get it because it says thankful, you know what I mean? But I guess not. So I added these Halloween pumpkins here, fall pumpkins, Halloween pumpkins that I got from Dollar Tree. They came in like a pack of 10, and it was like super cute. These leaves actually came in a pack of like 20, and they are also from Dollar Tree, super cute. So I just attached them to the sign, kind of made it more fallsy, and that actually worked for me and everyone else. So this ribbon, I love these ribbons. I got 10 of them from Amazon, and I'll leave that link down below as well. And I just got it hung up on my door. This is the big wall behind my couch. As you can see here, the couch is there. And this is the big wall behind, or above my couch, not behind, but above my couch. This sign, almost everything here I got from Amazon. So I will leave the links to that down below. These little sconce type holders, flower pot holders, I actually got from Amazon, and I just loved the texture of it. I like how it's like, I don't know. I just really like it. So I bought it. I thought they were black, but when they came, they were brown. And I'm just like, well, we'll work with them. It's super cute. These pumpkins, though, I got them from Dollar Tree, and they came in a pack of 3. I wish I had have gotten more so that I could put them, you know, all around my house, but I forgot. They actually stick onto the pot with a clip. So they just clip on and they clip off. And so that's how they stay on there. Here's another one of the leaves that I got. So pretty, so cute. I actually think I got these leaves from Dollar Tree, but they might have been Hobby Lobby. I'll put the link down below because I so don't remember. I actually had these flowers for a really long time, and the flowers, I had these flowers for a really long time. I don't remember where I got them from, so I can't give you an update on those, but I had them for a super long time. The circle mirrors are from Family Dollar, but I had those for a really long time too. That was from my previous decor as well. This shelf was actually made by my husband and myself. I got the wood cut at Lowe's, and he stained it. My husband stained it, and then he like attached it to the wall with these little brackets. So I wanted to find something to hide the brackets, but I just lost touch with that, so I didn't find anything. And I mean, it still looks cute, and I love actually the finish. I love a dark finish. I don't know why, that's just me. This pumpkin came from, I want to say Dollar Tree, but don't quote me on that. I think this pumpkin came from Dollar Tree. This sign, Harvest Blessing, came from Dollar Tree as well. This sign, Thankful, Blessed, Grateful, it came from Dollar Tree as well. And I just hung it up there, or placed it up there rather. Hello Autumn, that came from Dollar Tree. And then I have a bowl of acorns right here. I don't know, I just put that. This is another bowl, the bowl from the 4-pack that I was telling you guys about earlier from Dollar Tree. And then the leaves that I was telling you guys about from Dollar Tree. These acorns actually came from Dollar Tree as well. So definitely hook that up into a little bowl, and I put it right there. I am shocked, in awe, and amazed that my kids have not knocked it over yet. So, and if they have, they sure haven't told me, and it's back together. So I'm just grateful that it is still on the shelf holding up. This is another one of the sconces from the other side. I just put that another one right here. It did come in a 2-pack. There's the leaf again and the pumpkin that I was telling you guys about. And again, these flowers I've had in my house for ages. I have no idea where I got them from, but you can always get flowers from anywhere. They're artificial, so you can get them from Amazon or Dollar Tree or Hobby Lobby, wherever you like to go. This mirror again came from Family Dollar a long time ago. This whole big sign here came from Amazon, and I got it, I think it was like $50 on Amazon for this size. It's a really big size. It does not come with the words on it. The sign is as big as my couch. As you can see, it's kind of like the same length, but I had to like caddy corner because my couch is on the edge and the sign is in the middle. But anyway, so the words that are on the pictures, it did not come with that. I actually used vinyl stickers to put on. The words are vinyl stickers. That's what I'm trying to say. The words are vinyl stickers that I actually purchased from Amazon as well. And I will leave that link down below. But I actually just stuck those right onto the canvas because that picture is a canvas and not just like a painting or whatever. So I actually stuck those right onto the canvas and it worked out pretty well. It has not fallen off or anything. It is held up pretty well on the canvas. So I will leave the link to that as well down below. And they have different picture, or they have different canvases, you know, that you can choose from. They have different pictures. So I will leave the link to the one that I bought down below, and you can change it up if you decide to, you want something different. This is the extent of the fall decor on my dining room table. These pumpkins, actually, this pumpkin came from, I have no idea, because I bought it last year and it just had sat in my closet for the entire year because I was going to put it up and then I didn't. So, and then I found it this year. So I have no idea where the black pumpkin came from. But this orange pumpkin came from, I believe, Dollar Tree. The leaves, again, that they're sitting on came from Dollar Tree. I just put those on top of the coasters. We don't really use these coasters. And so, yeah, I just put them on there for the decoration. This plant that needs a little dusting, just, it was actually sitting somewhere else in my house, and then I just brought it up here and put it on top of the table just for a little add of splash of color. And so, yeah, that is the extent of the fall decor on my dining room table. That is the extent of my fall decor around my house. If you found this video helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video and my channel. You don't want to miss all of the goodies that I have in store for the rest of Vlogtober. And Vlogmas is definitely around the corner, so you want to stay for that. Thank you guys for watching.
People from my hood don't play about their kids, about that dope. Why you chasing Nookie? Tell me what it is about that. Claim you love her, but she got all of my kids.